Welcome to the Borland Climb. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use maximum hollow purple in Jujutsu Shenanigans. To begin, ensure your character has accumulated sufficient cursed energy, typically indicated by a full special gauge. The activation sequence involves pressing the heavy attack button, followed immediately by the special ability button, and then holding both for approximately 2 seconds. This precise input is crucial for initiating the powerful technique. Practice this combination in the training mode to master the timing and ensure consistent execution during intense battles. Once you've mastered the activation, strategic deployment is key. Maximum hollow purple is best utilized against multiple opponents clustered together, or to finish off a boss with a significant portion of their health remaining. Its area of effect spans roughly 10 meters in front of your character, making it ideal for clearing out large groups. Aim for the center of the enemy formation to maximize the number of targets hit, dealing immense damage and creating crucial openings for follow-up attacks. For advanced players, integrating maximum hollow purple into longer combo strings can elevate your gameplay. After a successful 3-hit light attack combo, immediately activate hollow purple to catch opponents off guard and extend your damage output. Certain characters possess unique abilities that can stun or group enemies, creating perfect setups for this devastating technique. The powerful knockback can also be used to push foes into environmental hazards, adding an extra layer of strategic depth to your engagements. While incredibly powerful, maximum hollow purple does have its limitations. After activation, there's a cooldown period of approximately 15 seconds before it can be used again, so timing is critical. During the initial 1.5-second casting animation, your character is vulnerable to interruption, leaving you open to enemy attacks. If an opponent anticipates your move, they might dodge or use a counter ability. Always have a backup plan and be ready to adapt your strategy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.